Hey, brothers, happy Saturday to you. I hope all is well. Listen, I want to let you know we're not meeting today at 3 o'clock because I'm going to give it to you all via your email or via your text message. I want to remind you about this 12 that we're doing as a church, as a brotherhood. Satan, the enemy, he's after our families. He's going by way of our brothers, of our men. And so, man, God needs you. The church needs you. The world needs you to be the best you that you can be. I need to be the best me I can be. Before I can help anybody else, I got to help myself. I got to be better for me, better to me. So listen, this is what we're going to do. I want to remind you that it's 12 weeks. Actually, it's 12 hours, not necessarily 12 weeks. We're going to do a retreat later on this year. That's going to take out about a couple of hours. But for the next couple of weeks, we're going to meet for an hour starting at 3:30. After with the first 4 hours, we'll discuss you and God. In order for your life to be the best it could be, you and God got to be on the same page. And God's not going anywhere. He has not changed forever. He's been the same today, yesterday, and forevermore. And so in order for you to know God, you have to read his word. So I want to show you how to read the Bible, how to interpret the Bible, how to pray. It all starts there. For the next 4 weeks, it talks about you as a man, you as a son, you as a husband, you as a father, you as a sibling. That's the next part. Look, we are making more money than our parents, and yet our families are being torn apart. We have better jobs than what our parents had and our forefathers have, and yet our families are being destroyed. Why is that? Because Satan knows if he can get the man, if he can get you, if he can get his hands on you, get his hands on your life, tear your life up, that you're not going to be the husband, the father, the man God's called you to be. And so that's where it starts. Now, the last 4 hours deals with you and the church. God's created you. He's given you gifts, talents for his body, for the church. And so we're going to talk about where you fit in there. Now, after it, I shared with you all last week. I shared with you all again. After you get through with the 12 hours, something great is going to happen. One, you're going to get a certificate of completion. Man, that's going to be great when people know that you have completed 12 hours of intense training and Bible study, and that you know God's plan for your life, you know God better, and you know your role. Man, that is so amazing. A lot of people are walking through this world right now, and they don't know their purpose or their place. Now, after that, you're going to get a Bible. So upon completion, you're going to get a Bible. It's going to look something like that. It's going to have your name engraved on it like this does. Has a cross on the front of it. After the Bible, after the certificate, I share with you all, you're going to get a jacket. The jacket looks like this. It has the 12 emblem on them. And that 12 emblem basically says, if any man comes after me, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. Some of you brothers said, hey, Pastor Bailey, last week you said, I don't, it's 108 degrees, it's 100 degrees, man, is there any somewhere? And I said yes. And so there's polo shirts that have the 12 emblem on it that we're going to wear through the summer. And then there's also T-shirts that we have that you all could wear also through the summer and through the winter. But every second weekend, brothers, we're going to put on a jacket, we're going to put on a polo, we're going to put on a T-shirt. And those who recognize that, they're going to know that man right there knows God, that man right there knows his purpose, and that man right there knows his place. A lot of people can't say that. Let me go through the Bible study with you all on today. This is found in Matthew chapter 10. This is Jesus calling the first 12. Jesus took 12 men, turned the world upside down. That's where we get the ministry of the 12. All right. Jesus called his disciples to him and gave them authority to drive out impure spirits and to heal diseases and sicknesses. These are the names of the 12 apostles. Apostles, disciples, as the same. All right. First, Simon, who is also called Peter, and his brother Andrew. James, son of Zebedee, and his brother John. That's two sets of brothers. Philip and Bartholomew. Thomas and Matthew, the tax collector. That's whose book we read, Matthew. James, son of Alphaeus. Thaddeus. Simon the Zealot. Judas Iscariot, who betrayed him. Now watch this. These 12, Jesus set out with the following instructions. Do not go among the Gentiles or enter any town of the Samaritans. Go rather to the lost sheep of Israel. As you go, proclaim this message: the kingdom of heaven has come near. Heal the sick, raise the dead, cleanse those who have leprosy, drive out demons. Freely you have received, freely you give. Now here it is. I want you all, take these, Matthew chapter 10, just find it in your Bible, and your homework for this week is to study 2 names. Out of 12, you find 2 names. Study it. Bring that with you next Saturday at 3 p.m. Bring that with you next Saturday at 3 p.m. Look, I love you all, brothers. I hate I can't be there this weekend, but I will see you all on Saturday. All right, God bless. Peace.